Hey you guys, I've got a quick video for you this morning. You'll have to ignore all these dogs barking in the background, but I wanted to review these EricX Lights real quick. These are 1/2 inch by 6 inch ferrocerium rods from Amazon, and I've tested them a little bit and I'm pretty impressed with them so far because they are massive and these things should last forever. The only downside to them is they're pretty stinking heavy. I'm not sure exactly how many ounces they are, but if you carry around one of these saws, it's pushing the same weight as one of these saws right here. So you get 2 of them in the pack, and they come with these holes for like paracord, or if you want to put like a keychain ring on them or something to keep them in your gear so you don't lose them. And they also come with this coating on them. I'm not sure if it's powder coat or some sort of dip coating. It's hard to tell, but you have to scrape that off to get to the actual ferro rod. So I've got some Fatwood back here. It's pretty wet where I am right now. It's been raining for the past couple days, so I've got my Leatherman and I'm gonna use a saw on it because it's got a really sharp spine, and we'll see if we can get this to light up. It's just kind of a test with these things. I haven't tried to light anything with them yet, just really been striking them. So let's see. There we go. We got us a little flame if it don't go out. It went out. You guys can see it's making these little flames, and they just keep going out, but right here in this corner there's a little flame. So it's working pretty well. Granted, you're probably not always going to have Fatwood to deal with. So if you compare this to some of the other ferro rods on Amazon, there's another one, I can't really remember what it's called, but it's got a piece of wood at the end. I would say this is about, as far as throwing sparks capacity, these are probably about 80% of that. So it's a good ferro rod, but it's definitely not the best I've ever used. But I would say if you're trying to get a lot of ferro rod for the money, this is the way to go. However, it's not striking quite as good as, I can't remember the name of it. It's about a $15 ferro rod off of Amazon. Granted, you're getting 4 times the amount of ferro rod for the same price. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you make a decision on these. My opinion is, if you want longevity and reliability, to get these. But if you're wanting to start a fire super fast because you just want the best ferro rod on the planet, these are probably not the way to go. All right, thank you guys. Subscribe if you like this video, and I appreciate your time. Thanks.